Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Epitome of Bree here. If you're new to my channel, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Also, click the bell notification button so you get notified when I upload another video. Today, I'm just showing you guys how I get this super duper defined twist out. As you can see, look at this definition. It's like super defined. And I'm gonna show you guys my technique for the most defined twist outs that I personally ever get. Also, I am going to be using the KC line by KeraCare. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna start out by co-washing my hair with their Moisturizing Co-Wash. It's nice and thick. It's a thicker consistency. It's like a cream kind of, like literally like a conditioner. But I did see it bubble up. Oh my gosh, y'all, it smells so good. Ooh. I'm working it into my scalp, just cleaning my edges because that's where you put the edge gel and stuff. So you want to make sure you get the buildup off your edges. Okay, you guys, so now that all of the co-wash has been rinsed out of my hair, I'm going to go in with the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. And y'all know me, I love doing the LOC method on my hair. And for those of you who don't know what that is, for me is leave-in, oil, and like a cream, a moisturizing cream, a styling cream, some type of cream. This stuff smells so good. This whole line smells so good. That's why Natural's always walking around smelling so delicious. The whole line is infused with Jamaican black castor oil, which is usually the oil that I use because it really it's a thicker oil and it's really moisturizing to my hair because I have type 4 hair, and my type 4 girls out there know that our hair does not hold on to moisture. Like, you can style it, it's all soft and moisturized, and then the next day it's super dry. Like, okay, what happened? So it's definitely important for me. And also it has coconut oil in it as well. This is the consistency of the leave-in. So what I'm gonna do first is section off my hair. Y'all know I like working in sections because you get the most product on your hair when you work in sections, and it's easier to detangle. I'm gonna start in the back because I know I always do this back section by itself first. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is detangle with a wide tooth comb. The Moisturizing Co-Wash left my hair feeling really soft and very easy to detangle. As y'all can see, it was a very quick process. But now I'm gonna take the leave-in. I'm going to apply that to my hair. So I'm gonna skip the oil step because, as you can see, the KeraCare products have the oil in them. The cream step can definitely be like your favorite gel or, you know, jelly, which today we are going to be using the moisturizing curling jelly, which is this right here. Now, after doing that, I'm gonna take a small piece. I'm gonna do smaller twists. I've learned that the smaller I do my twists, the more defined my twist outs are. So let me show you ladies how I get my most defined twist out. The key is to make sure your ends curl up, and smaller sections means that when you take them down, you'll have to separate less, And less separation means less frizz, more definition. So let's get into this. You want to just twist, and you see how as I'm going down, I literally go like rub down my hair so that I'm smoothing it in the twist. So you guys, this is what it looks like when my twists are all in. And now I am about to go to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. So now it is the next morning, and I'm just taking an oil. You can take your favorite oil, and I'm just gonna scrunch it throughout my hair just to add a little extra moisture. Now I am taking out all of my twists, and this is an important step. You want to take your time and try not to create much frizz. So as you take them down, you don't want to just rip them apart. You want to kind of guide the twist all the way down to the ends. And this is what they look like after taking them all down. And now I'm just going to flip them to the side and give that side part effect. Now I'm going to take their moisturizing edges and I'm going to style my edges. And actually this product gave me great hold and was very moisturizing as well. And these are the results of my super defined twist out. Now you can leave them like this, or you can go in and separate even further. And I just separate like once or twice. I don't try to overdo it because that'll create even more frizz. But let me know how you like it, if you like it fresh out of the twist or if you like a little bit more separation. I would recommend the KC by KeraCare line to everyone. It was very moisturizing and it made my hair feel amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.